Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Extend2Fit 3-in-1 car seat in forward-facing mode using latch. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat. First, remove the infant supports. These are for rear-facing use only. Next, remove the lower anchor strap from storage by pressing on the red button on the lower anchor connector. Repeat on the other side. Make sure the lower anchor strap is in the forward-facing belt path marked with an orange label. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat into one of the 3 forward-facing recline positions, ensuring it is appropriate for your child's weight. Make sure it clicks into place. Unhook the tether strap from storage and lay it in the seat. Place the car seat forward-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. For easier installation, extend the lower anchor strap to its maximum length by pressing the gray button and pulling on the strap. Next, attach the lower anchor connectors to the vehicle's lower anchors. Make sure that the strap lies flat and is not twisted. To tighten the lower anchor strap, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the free end of the strap. You can also pull the free end of the strap through the belt path to help tighten if needed. Extend the tether strap by lifting up on the tether lock and attach. Tighten to remove all the slack. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, retighten the lower anchor strap, then retest for tightness. Your car seat is now installed.